Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to lock and unlock the keyboard on Windows 10. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have already opened the keyboard on my computer screen. Now to lock it, what you need to do is press the shift key on the keyboard for 8 seconds. Please keep pressing it for 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, you will get a notification asking, do you want to turn on filter keys? Click on yes button and your keyboard is successfully locked. Let me open the Windows Start menu and search for the keyboard. Because we locked the keyboard, it is not working. Now let me show you how to unlock the keyboard. Again, keep pressing the shift key on the keyboard for 8 seconds. Now let me open the Windows Start menu again and search for keyboard. And that's it. This is how you can lock and unlock the keyboard on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.